You've heard it before. Multiple income streams are key. But what does that really look like without losing your mind? This is your no-fluff, real talk guide to building actual freedom, starting now. Let's start with a cold reality check. Depending on just one source of income today is like driving with no spare tire. The job market's shaky, inflation keeps eating away at your paycheck, and AI's out here replacing positions you thought were untouchable. Even doctors and lawyers are feeling the pressure. Here's the thing no one tells you. Your 9-to-5 was never meant to make you wealthy. It was designed to keep you just comfortable enough to keep showing up, and that worked fine when things were stable. But in 2025, one company restructure, one medical bill, one layoff, and boom, you're scrambling. Now imagine this. Instead of freaking out when rent's due or your hours get cut, you've got money coming in from multiple directions. A service you offer on the side, a digital product people buy while you sleep, a YouTube channel, or even a low-effort Etsy shop that trickles in $200 a month. That's peace of mind. So, no, multiple income streams aren't just for entrepreneurs. They're a survival strategy now. This isn't luxury, it's protection. And once you accept that truth, you're ready to start building. Let's get to work. The biggest mistake most people make? Trying to build 5 income streams at once like they're Elon Musk. Don't do that. The smartest play is to start with one stream, and it should be something close to home, meaning something that connects to a skill, habit, or interest you already have. You don't need to reinvent yourself. Maybe you're already answering questions in Reddit threads about fitness. Turn that into a $10 per month workout plan on Gumroad. Are you the one friends always come to for resume help? Boom, CV writing side hustle. Love chatting with strangers online? You could be ghostwriting DMs or managing TikTok comments for creators. The point is, your first stream should feel easy-ish, familiar, quick to test. Why? Because early momentum is everything. That first $50 you earn outside your job will do more for your confidence than reading 50 business books. And once that first stream is stable, bringing in even $100 a month, you've proven to yourself that money can come from you, not just your boss. That's the unlock. From there, we start layering, one at a time, brick by brick. Your empire starts with a side gig that fits you like a glove. All right, once your first income stream is solid, meaning it runs on its own without daily stress, it's time to stack your second. But don't just pick a random hustle. You want to build streams that complement each other. Think synergy, not chaos. Here's what that looks like. Let's say your first stream is selling templates on Etsy. Instead of jumping to dropshipping pet toys, your second stream could be a Notion course teaching others how to create and sell digital products. Same audience, same skills, double monetization. Or maybe you're editing YouTube videos as your main gig. Great. Now take a step further. Add a YouTube channel breakdown newsletter where you analyze what's working. Best performing thumbnails, watch time hacks, viral hook patterns. You're already knee-deep in that content daily. Why not get paid twice for the same brainpower? This is what smart diversification looks like. You're not spinning 5 unrelated plates at once. You're stacking compatible skills, layering effort, building a system where every piece fuels the next. That newsletter, it could turn into a paid membership, or a digital product like a YouTube strategy toolkit. You might even land consulting gigs just because someone loved your analysis in a free issue. Complementary income streams save you time, reduce burnout, and strengthen your personal brand. You're not scattering your energy across unrelated gigs. You're building a flywheel. Every stream feeds into the next. A YouTube editor becomes a strategist becomes a creator. Suddenly, you've created an ecosystem where you're earning multiple ways just by staying in your zone of genius. And here's the bonus. When one income source slows down, maybe a client pauses, you don't panic. Another stream usually picks up the slack. That's real financial resilience. That's the power of diversification done right. Let's be blunt. If you're juggling multiple income streams manually, you're going to crash fast. The secret sauce to making this sustainable? Automation. And no, this doesn't mean building a robot army or learning how to code Python in your free time. It just means setting up smart systems that run in the background and do the heavy lifting while you sleep. Start with your repeatable tasks. Are you posting the same type of content across multiple platforms? Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn? Use tools like Buffer, Metricool, or Later to batch your posts and schedule everything in one shot. You could plan a week's worth of content in an hour and let the tools handle the timing. Got emails to send out weekly to your growing audience? ConvertKit, MailerLite, or Beehive can queue those messages months in advance with welcome sequences, product launches, and regular check-ins, all pre-written and firing off automatically. Selling digital products like templates, ebooks, or courses, platforms like Gumroad, PayHip, or Lemon Squeezy handle everything. Payment processing, file delivery, upsells, and even affiliate payouts. And let's not forget communication. Even your DMs or client messages can be semi-automated using ChatGPT-powered replies or plug-and-play responses inside tools like ManyChat, TDO, or Zendesk. Automation doesn't just save you time. It preserves your mental energy, prevents burnout, and allows you to scale without cloning yourself. The goal isn't to remove your voice. It's to remove your hands from doing every little thing. Time is your most expensive currency. Automating the busy work gives you space to create, build, and, more importantly, breathe. Because what's the point of stacking income if you're buried under it? Here's the truth. No one selling you a 7 income streams in 30 days course wants to admit. Every income stream starts out boring. The idea? Exciting. The beginning? Fun. But the middle? That's where people quit. Why? Because a new shiny idea always shows up. You start a blog, then jump to crypto. You build a digital product, then switch to dropshipping. You try a YouTube channel, then think AI faceless content will be easier. And guess what? You end up with 5 half-built bridges and 0 ways to cross the river. The fix? Commit to just one stream until it pays you. Not just once, but consistently. Set a revenue target. $500 per month is a solid benchmark. Once that stream is proven, systematize it, then move to the next. That's how real entrepreneurs scale. One lane at a time, not by playing hopscotch with trends. Remind yourself, the goal isn't to chase dopamine, it's to build durability. Momentum comes from depth, not distraction. So stop jumping, start compounding. Next up, how to reinvest profits to unlock exponential growth. Let's get one thing straight. Your first $100 or even your first $1,000 isn't for spending, it's for scaling. This is where most people fumble. They make a bit of money from their new stream, get excited, and blow it on dopamine hits, new gear, eating out, or even just random stuff for the business that adds 0 ROI. That's not how you build wealth. That's how you stay stuck. The real move? Reinvest. Every dollar your income stream generates should buy you either time or reach. Time means outsourcing the repeatable stuff. Fiverr gigs, automation tools, schedulers. Reach means visibility, ads, better thumbnails, paid SEO, collabs, or shoutouts. You're taking profits and pouring them back into the machine that made them. Eventually, you hit what's called profit compounding, where every reinvested dollar earns you even more the next time around. This is the difference between a side hustle and a scalable system. Don't treat your income stream like a piggy bank. Treat it like a business that's feeding its own growth. Hustle can get you started, but systems keep you sane. If you're juggling multiple income streams, you need to stop thinking like a solo grinder and start thinking like a system builder. Because guess what? Your time is limited, energy fades, focus breaks. But systems, they don't sleep. Let's say you're running a YouTube channel, flipping products, and managing a digital product store. If each of those requires hands-on work every day, you're going to burn out, fast. Instead, you set up systems that operate without you hovering. That means scheduling tools, Buffer, Zapier, Notion pipelines, pre-written templates for customer messages, automated delivery for products, and auto-posting for socials. Even content creation can be systemized. Use ChatGPT to generate post ideas, batch create your visuals, and build out content calendars monthly. Once your systems are in place, each stream starts to run more like a machine and less like a mess. The more you automate, the more you free up your brain to create rather than just maintain. And that's where the next breakthrough lives. Having multiple income streams isn't just about stacking random gigs like Legos, it's about strategic diversification. If all your streams are tied to one platform, one audience, or one skill, you're one algorithm change away from disaster. The smartest creators split their streams across categories. Think active income, semi-passive, and passive. Your service-based business might bring fast cash, active. Your YouTube AdSense or digital products give you leverage, semi-passive. Your long-term investments? That's true passive. Diversify by risk too. One stream might be trendy and high reward, like AI girl influencers, while another is boring but consistent, like a dividend ETF. One could be creative, selling prompts. Another could be technical, automation consulting. The goal? So when one stream dries up, the others don't even flinch. It's also about audience type. Don't put all your content into one niche or demo. If your Etsy buyers vanish tomorrow, will your Substack readers still be loyal? This isn't about paranoia, it's about power. Because the real game isn't just making money, it's never being financially cornered again. All right, now it's time to stop watching and start doing. Let's build your own custom income map, because winging it won't cut it. This is your GPS to financial freedom, not some get-rich checklist. Start with a blank canvas, digital or physical. In the center, write down your core skill or interest. Around that, create 3 branches: active income, semi-passive, and passive. Under active, list what you can trade time for today, like freelance gigs, coaching, or short-term consulting. Under semi-passive, brainstorm ideas like digital products, YouTube channels, print on demand, or AI automations. And for passive, think long game, affiliate content, stock dividends, real estate, or licensing deals. Next, connect each stream with a platform or tool, so you're not just dreaming, you're designing. For example, coaching, Calendly plus Zoom, or print on demand, Etsy plus Canva. Don't aim for 10 streams at once. Start with 1 in each category. Let it grow, reinvest, optimize. This map isn't static, it evolves as you do. But once it's real and visual, your brain stops fearing the hustle and starts following the path. Let's cut the fluff. The difference between people who build real income streams and those who endlessly try isn't tactics. It's identity. You don't become someone who earns from 5 streams by accident. You decide that's who you are, and then you move like it. You want to be someone who makes money in your sleep? Start acting like a digital asset builder, not just a content consumer. Wake up and prioritize creation. Learn, tweak, launch, repeat. Don't wait for motivation. Build discipline. Don't just dream of freedom. Schedule it into your calendar. Also, stop comparing your Chapter 1 to someone else's highlight reel. Your income journey is yours alone. It won't be perfect, it won't always be fast, but if you stay consistent, it will be real. And when you hit your first $50 from something you built, not from a job, that dopamine will hit different. So build slow, build smart, and build like someone who refuses to be stuck in just one income lane. Smash that like if you're claiming your multi-stream life. Subscribe if you want more no-fluff breakdowns like this. And drop a comment with your first stream idea. I'll help you plan it. See you in the next one.